I like to cut a pineapple is I like to cut the top off, but we are going to be making today out of pineapple. We're gonna make a pineapple gator. So we're gonna say—
I know, a lot of free time. She looks at fruit and she sees animals.
Right, truly the best job ever. I get to Google how to make animals out of fruit. Real fun job. So, all right, I've got the pineapple crown here. We're gonna save that as a very integral part of our sculpture this year. And then I like to cut kind of around the core, or like Rachel was saying, you can cut the core right in there. You could absolutely eat it. Cut both sides off. And then you take the pineapple skin, and how I like to do it, this is just if you're cutting it up for a fruit salad or for the kids for a snack, I actually freeze it and make a nice little frosty treat at the end of this. I kind of cut it like an avocado, but I cut it on the counter because we know—
score it.
I score it, right, and then I turn it the other way, and then I score it that way.
So you make a crosshatch.
Yes.
Into the flesh.
Right into the flesh.
Of the pineapple.
And then I kind of cut around. And then you can make it into like a nice little bowl. You could serve some ice cream in it. You get all these little pieces out. So that's a nice, easy way of cutting a pineapple. Delicious. And now you've got these beautiful pineapple, like shell, alligator, scaly skin to work with.
It looks exactly like a crocodile already.
I think so. So now we're gonna give him a little head. So we're gonna cut off the other crown, and we're gonna save these valuable crowns, because as you know, alligators live in the swamp, and what's in the swamp? Swamp trees.
Oh,
so
well,
we're gonna,
of course.
Of course. So we're gonna save those. We're gonna save those.
Of course they have swamp trees.
Of course. So we're gonna cut him a little alligator head. Just cut a little triangle out of the front. Look at that, he's coming to life already.
Aww.
Little alligator. And then, I'm always so puzzled as to what to make these little fruit creatures' eyes out of. We had some radishes. Rachel wrote a taco recipe. We had some radishes in the walk-in. Gave him some beady little radish eyes.
Some boogly radish eyes.
Because, yeah, no, I mean, I have to Google a lot of pictures of alligators to pull this off. Their eyes are pretty creepy. Okay, so he's got his eyes now. He's got his body.
Gotcha.
Thought I'd give him some fun little feet, paws. I don't know, what do you call alligator feet? They're not paws,
I'm not really sure, and when we're being eaten alive by them, I don't think we care.
So give him some little feet. Like you could do it out of kiwi. I was just thinking staying
claws.
The green
family.
Yeah, green. And then I've just got, because these are always fun to put on your table for the 4th of July, like make them for the kids. You have it in the barbecue, you pop it in the middle of the table. So I thought I would just do some like little fruit salad, some blackberries. I like blackberries and blueberries.
Around your tree.
Around your little pineapple crown swamp tree. We'll pop that one over here. Got one full of blueberries right here. And then we have that pineapple that we just chopped up so nicely. You could just kind of scatter it around. Pop that on your barbecue table.
And he's come to life.
He's come to life.